that measles trap the bacteria, chemicals and dirt, and it washes it away. Also, rubbing between the fingers also break down the bacteria and virus. So these two actions are helping to globally control the pandemic situation, the wild spread of virus. Another thing we have to consider is toilet seat. Virus, bacteria prevail there in huge numbers. We also know the first occurrence happened in the wet market from the toilet. Also, in this occasion, I want to talk about the carbon footprint as well. So, bedded toilet is good. So there is no use of paper towel or hand. We don't touch any bacterially dense toilet in a house or in public place. In addition to that, I want to mention every individual uses 57 sheets of toilet paper single day. 3 million tons of toilet paper are used in USA alone, and it requires cut down of 54 million trees a year. So by the toilet helps us particularly to control in my mind E. faecalis bacteria, which is very pathogenic, which the occurrence is less, but the possibility is more. It is not only such bacteria species, and many other pathogens are controlled with new features such as BIDET. Also, one more thing we need to understand, our body has 35 million to 70 million, trillion, 35 trillion to 70 trillion cells. Out of that, the number of cells are almost equal. I mean, in terms of bacteria, we have equal numbers of bacteria as well living in our body, but it accounts around 200 gram or 1 to 3 kilogram of bacteria, or 1 to 3% of body mass. Our body is full of bacteria. Also, in terms of virus, which is 10 times even more, there is 380 trillion viruses inside and outside us, which are trying to have us as host. Some of them are capable of living on the moisture which is on our surface, not only the oil on our skin, as well as the moisture on our skin also prevails. That's why it's outside and inside as well. It lives due to the small, tiny structure. Having said that, it's a time for cleanliness. Let us all wash our hand thoroughly for 15 to 20 seconds.